Welcome to our channel. If you want to apply for federal student loan forgiveness without making costly mistakes, follow these step-by-step instructions to successfully navigate the process. Step 1. Determine which forgiveness program you're eligible for. Options include public service loan forgiveness, teacher loan forgiveness, or income-driven repayment forgiveness, each with different requirements. Step 2. Ensure your loans qualify. Only direct loans are eligible for most forgiveness programs. If you have FFEL or Perkins loans, you may need to consolidate them into a direct consolidation loan first. Step 3. Verify your employment qualifies if applying for PSLF. You must work full-time for a qualifying government or nonprofit organization. Use the PSLF help tool at studentaid.gov to check employer eligibility. Step 4. Enroll in a qualifying repayment plan. For PSLF, you must be on an income-driven repayment plan or the 10-year standard plan. Make sure you're in the correct plan before accumulating qualifying payments. Step 5. Submit employment certification forms annually for PSLF to track your progress and ensure your payments are counting toward forgiveness. Don't wait until you've made 120 payments to start this process. Step 6. Keep detailed records of all payments, employment, and correspondence with your loan servicer. Documentation is crucial if disputes arise about qualifying payments or employment. Step 7. When you've met all requirements, submit your official forgiveness application through your loan servicer or studentaid.gov, depending on the program. Step 8. Continue making payments until you receive official confirmation of forgiveness. Don't stop paying based on the expectation of forgiveness, as this can damage your credit and eligibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.